In this video, I talk about my top TOLOCO Massage Gun. The best TOLOCO Massage Gun in my opinion. If you want to check the price of the product, link to the description. The TOLOCO Massage Gun is a game changer for muscle pain relief. Its 12mm deep tissue penetration, combined with speeds up to 3200 RPM, delivers quick relief from soreness and fatigue. I love how portable it is, thanks to its long-lasting battery that runs up to 6 hours on a single USB charge. With 10 interchangeable massage heads, it's incredibly versatile, making it perfect for different parts of the body, whether it's my back, arms, or legs. Despite its power, it operates quietly, so I can use it anywhere without disturbing others. The LED touchscreen is another feature I enjoy, allowing me to adjust speed settings and check the battery level easily. The massage gun also offers multiple speed levels, so I can choose the intensity based on my muscle soreness. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for post-workout recovery or a relaxing massage at the end of a long day. Pros: deep tissue penetration for effective pain relief. Long battery life with USB charging. 10 massage heads for different muscle groups. Quiet operation, ideal for any environment. Adjustable speed levels with an intuitive LED touchscreen. Cons: charging plug not included. Not recommended for certain medical conditions. In summary, the TOLOCO Massage Gun is a powerful and quiet tool that's easy to use, providing personalized muscle relief and enhanced recovery.